Good our dear viewers, how you are doing? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do coconut flakes. For those that love eating coconut flakes, I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can do it at home. As you can see, this particular one, this is the one that I've done. So I'm going to show you the steps, step by step, how you can do it at home. I use just one coconut to get all these coconut flakes, and it looks very sweet, very sweet. The materials you need basically is a frying pan, coconut. This is coconut. I've already removed the back in this place. Then you need a hand grater. So frying pan, coconut, and hand grater. Procedure: get your hand grater. Then what you have to do next is to start grating the coconut into small sizes. You see in this video I'm using the smallest sizes of this grater for it to give me a very perfect size. I love my coconut flakes to be soft and small come out in small pieces. That's why I'm using the smallest one. So you grate with your hands like this gently. You can see what I'm doing. The process is very easy. Use your hand to be grating it carefully. After grating it, the next thing you have to do is to add sugar to the grated coconut flakes. So you add sugar to it, then you mix very well with your spoon, or use your hands to mix it very well to make sure that the sugar mix with the coconut flakes effectively. This is what I'm doing in this point. This is how our coconut flakes looks like after the mixing with the sugar. You can see it very fine, look nice. So at this point I finished mixing it. Looks very beautiful. The next stage is for you to turn on your heat. So we're going to be using our gas for this experiment. Then the next thing you have to do is to put your frying pan in the fire and allow the frying pan to dry, all the water inside to dry first. That is the first thing you do. Remember, we have mixed our sugar to our coconut flakes. So you add in, by this point it's dried already, so you add in the coconut flakes inside the pot, the frying pan we are using, carefully. Please note, your gas should be on low heat. The heat you are using should be on low heat. It should not be too high, because if it's too high, the coconut flakes will burn. So you should put it in low heat and use your spoon to be mixing it. You have to be turning it so that it will not get burnt. So you know coconut has water in it, so the water inside will dry. As the heat continue, the water will dry. So you watch it carefully. After some time, the coconut flakes will start turning brownish. That is to tell you that it's getting ready. So you keep stirring it and lower the heat. So this is our final product of coconut flakes. Delicious coconut flakes is ready for consumption. So I believe you have learned how to do your coconut flakes at home. Do it to subscribe to our YouTube channel, share this video and like. Till I come your way again, and remember, humble self, brave, if my boy. Bye bye.